Here is the video that's I almost thought of canceling, My Funny Dog. His name's Holden. He's my funny dog. He's so funny. He's the only dog in the world that barks. And he's the only dog in the world that hits people and, well, he does a lot of funny things. Do something. Here, let's see if we can catch your toy. Come on. Ha. Ah, so close. He knows how to catch things. He just doesn't really, he's just a baby. Da 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 da. Oh, okay, I'll play with you. Oh, hey, you don't take it right when I'm about to take it. Hey. Alright, one toss. Urgh. This dog is stronger than an ox. Oh, he's such a little thing. Imagine how strong he'll be when he's an adult. He's only, how old is the dog?
9 months.
He's only 9 months old. I mean, God, he's really strong. I don't really know.
You're gonna eat with us, Smokey.
Da da da.
I'll show you how to throw away if you're ready.
In a minute. Anyway, let's see some more things my funny dog does. He likes to look at the food. I know you people saw this movie on What You're Missing Out On, the trailer. It has a little bit of that. I thought of canceling it, but and now I have a digital camera. It's possible. I can make it. You'll be. Hey people. Well, that's Holden. His name's Holden over there. Yeah, that's his name. He's actually, since I'm going to put this on YouTube, he's actually a famous dog, like Chloe and Poppy. He gets to be in a movie.
See, I gotta put all the beef on your.
I'm going to do his baby voice, okay? So if you're wondering what this tiny high voice is, it's Holden. Oh, I wonder where I can get some food. Oh, I think somebody dropped something. I'm going to go eat it. Da da da! Oh, can I have some more? Oh, thank you. I cannot find it. I don't really know where it is now, folks. Isn't that funny how I do his voice? I'm going to use it for a lot of my movies. Anyway. Holden. Alright, focus. Hey! Alright, focus. But Holden, focus. We're going to play catch. Aw, so close. He never catches things on camera. Oh, did I introduce my mom?
Hey people.
That's my mom. I'm the Fly J, or my real name's Jesse. I'm 10 years old and love to make great movies. Well, you saw the teaser pictures for this movie. They weren't real pictures in the movie, but they were just hilarious, so I had to post them. So, that's my funny dog chapter 1. Bye.